In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Klaviyo. We're going to walk through the entire process from preparing your file all the way to confirming that your contacts are properly added to the right list, so you can start using them in your email or SMS campaigns with confidence. First, you'll want to prepare your file. Klaviyo works best with CSV files, so make sure your contact list is saved in CSV format and that the file size is under 50 megabytes. In that file, the very first row must contain column headers. These are labels like email, first name, and last name. The most important header is the one for email, and it should be labeled either email or email address. This is what Klaviyo uses to identify each contact, so if that field is missing or inconsistent, your import won't work correctly. Next, choose where these contacts will live inside Klaviyo. In your Klaviyo account, look to the left-hand sidebar and go to Audience, then click on Lists and Segments. Here, you can either create a new list or use one that already exists. If you want a brand new list, click Create List or Segment, then choose List. Give your list a clear, descriptive name so you'll remember who's in it later, and then click Create List. If you prefer to add contacts into an existing list, simply click on the name of that list to open it. Once you're inside the list, you're ready to upload your file. In the upper right corner of the screen, open the Manage List dropdown and choose Import Contacts. Click the Upload button and select the CSV file you prepared earlier from your computer. After it uploads, Klaviyo will show you a preview of your data. Now it's time to map your fields. This means matching the columns in your CSV file to the profile properties that Klaviyo uses, such as email, first name, last name, or any custom data you track. Go through each column and choose the correct Klaviyo property from the drop-down menus. If you have a column that doesn't match any existing property, you can use the drop-down to create a new field so that data is still captured and usable later. Before you finalize the import, review the consent settings. If everyone in your file has explicitly opted in to receive communications from you, select the option to update subscription status for all imported contacts to subscribed, and then choose the appropriate channel, whether that's email, SMS, or both. If you're not completely sure, it's safer to leave their status as is and only mark those you are confident about as subscribed. When everything looks correct, click Import. Klaviyo will process your file in the background. For larger lists, this may take a little time, but you'll receive a notification once the import is complete. After that, your new contacts will be available in your list and ready to be used in flows, campaigns, and segments.